So we're talking about interval. Interval is the distance in pitch between any two notes. So if I should move from this distance to this distance, I have not moved. I'm just within the same place. C to C is the same thing. That's why you have the numbers of semitone as 0. This is only when I move from C to C sharp, I have moved a semitone. Okay, the numbers of semitone I've moved is just 1. It's only once I've moved. If I should move further again from this C to D, you can see now C to D, I have moved 2 semitones, which is 2 semitones. It's called what? A major second. If I should move from C to D sharp, I have moved 3 semitones. D to D sharp is 3 semitones. That's the intervals you do. Numbers of semitones that you find between C to D sharp is going to give you 3, because you have C to C sharp as 1, C sharp to D as 2, D to D sharp as 3. So that's why you have 3 semitones, and it's called what? The major second. Okay, so if I should go further now, having C to E, which is 4 semitones, is called the major third. If I should move further, a semitone again, a C to F, which is 5 semitones, is going to give me what? A perfect fourth. So if I should move from C to F sharp, which is augmented fourth, it's carrying how many semitones? 6 semitones. These numbers of semitones just follow themselves, and the names like that just go. So take note of this, that when you are ascending, we are just going what? When you are ascending in semitones, you are going augmented after having. So we're going to take note of the naturals. The natural, which is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is 1 here? 1 is what? Unison, perfect unison. Okay. 2 is what? Augmented major second. 3 is what? Major third. 4 is what? Perfect fourth. 5 is what? Perfect fifth. 6 is what? Major seventh. 7 is what? Major 6 is what? Major sixth. 7 is what? Major seventh. 8 is what? Perfect octave. I'll go again. 1 is what? Perfect unison. 2 is what? Major second. 3 is what? Major third. 4 is what? Perfect fourth. 5 is what? Perfect fifth. 6 is what? Major sixth. 7 is what? Major seventh. And 8 is what? Perfect octave. Those are the naturals. But what you now have on top of them is you're going to be having augmented. This means you see from the perfect unison, you have augmented unison. When we went to the major second, from the major second, you have what? Augmented second. When we went to the major third, after major third is perfect fourth. These are the naturals that follow themselves because it's a semitone in between them. After the perfect fourth, you have what? Augmented fourth. You can see that you're still augmenting. We want to go to the natural, which is what? Perfect fifth again. After the perfect fifth, you go what? Augmented fifth. You can see that we just go in semitone. After the augmented sixth, you go to the natural, which is the major sixth. After that major sixth again, you just go up again, augmented sixth. After augmented sixth, you have what? The major seventh. After the major seventh, you have the perfect octave, because in between the major seventh and the perfect octave is just a semitone. You can see the names of it. So this is what? Accidentals, taking them up, which is what? Using the sharp. Okay, we are going what? We are ascending. We are ascending. So when you are ascending, you are augmenting. That is how it is now. So the next one I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take you through the descending aspect. Before then, I will quickly explain that on the piano so that you can understand when we talk about the descending aspect of this, using the flat series to descend. So it's going to be deriving the name from descending order. This is ascending order. When we are coming from below upwards, you are ascending. So we're ascending from below, we ascend up. So that's how we're writing in music. So when you are ascending, you are going augmented. So this time around, when we're descending, we're going to be going down the other way. You get to know their names in the next video. Thank you.